I'm Dr. Tracy Mountford and I am owner of the Cosmetic Skin Clinic. There are numerous ways you can enhance a bride before their wedding. It depends what age they are. Nowadays we see brides that are in their early 20s, or we see brides that are in their 60s or 70s, so it very much depends on the age. But the idea is to keep someone looking the same. They don't want to be on their wedding day looking like they've been contrived, they don't want to look different, they don't want to look back on their photography and their videos and think, who's that standing there getting married? So the idea is to enhance their natural beauty. So for younger brides, really, they're gorgeous. They don't need very much, maybe some light refreshing of their skin quality. We do treatments that are like lasers, like Clear+Brilliant, which just really freshens up the skin, makes it look more dewy and more radiant. We do 2 or 3 treatments before a wedding day with very young people. And sometimes as women get into their 30s or 40s, they want to get away, actually etch away those fine lines and wrinkles. So maybe very, very light Botox treatments to softly airbrush the lines away, still leave movement, still leave naturalness, or even some light strategic fillers, just very, very gently placed to give lift and support and radiance, but nothing to overdo and nothing to plump up or look overdone. It's all about naturalness. Yes, there's a big race before wedding to drop a few pounds, and most brides do that naturally anyway. They're often very anxious and really razzed up before the big day. But obviously most of us, no matter what size we are, we have bits we want to shift and that are very hard to shift, even if we have a great exercise regime and even if we have really good lifestyle factors. So cool sculpting is ideal actually for an average weight bride to be. So you don't have to be really overweight and you don't have to be really thin. Ultimately, an average weight bride who just wants to perhaps nip in the waist a little bit, refine the love handles a little bit, or reduce the thigh width, not only for the wedding day, but also for the honeymoon as well. And what we're finding cool sculpting is particularly good at as well is for reducing the width of the upper arm. So if a bride is wearing an off-the-shoulder dress or a cap sleeve or something which exposes the arms, then we can reduce the width of the fat there, and it can slimline and streamline a figure really, really well. So actually it's all about good assessment, but it's about that refining of those hard, stubborn areas that aren't going to respond to diet or exercise.